my name's Emma. I'm a student here at Grabber School of Hair Design. I am in my last month of the Esthetician program, graduate in about 5 weeks. And today we're gonna go over what you get in the Grabber Esthetician kit. First things first, you do get a mannequin head. You will be practicing massage movements, you'll learn lash applications and makeup first on this. My mannequin's name is Lisa. She is full glam. She has her brows tattooed on. She has some lashes on, but this is a bare one that you will get. Next, you will get your extraction toolkit and a tweezer/brow kit. You will have 8 different heads and the handle, all different sizes. You have a couple lancets in here. It's really great to start out with your extractions. And then in your eyebrow set, it comes with 3 different types of tweezers, an eyebrow brush, and little scissors to cut the brow hairs. Then you will get a dermaplaning kit. You do get your own 10-blade handle and a box of 100 blades. And then for your first product, you get what's called the Purity Solution Cleansing Oil. This you can use as a makeup remover, you can use as your first cleanse, somebody with sensitive skin. This is the Benefit Clean. It is a gentle foaming cleanser. It's great for all skin types. Everybody here loves it. It's one of my personal favorite cleansers. Next, you have the Benefit Balance Toner. This is great for all skin types. It's just a pH balancing toner. It gets residual product off. Next, we have the Motion Oil-Free Massage Lotion. It's great for any type of massage you're doing on the face or body. Then you have the Restore Moisture Rich Mask. This is a really thick, hydrating mask. I wouldn't say it's great for oily skin, but I use it when I do my chemical peels and I'm really sensitive afterwards. This is what I use. Then we also have the Emulsion Intense Hydrator. This is a bright purple, really good, intense moisturizer. It doesn't have much of a smell. This is fantastic for dry skin or sensitive skin. Oily skin can use it, but typically people with oily skin tend to like more of a gel moisturizer, whereas this is more of a cream. Then we have our peels. We do get 4 peels in our kit. The first one being the pomegranate peel. This one is probably the most gentle. This, along with the blueberry smoothie peel, are your level 1 peels, so anybody can start out with these. Then you have the purity peel, which is my personal favorite. This is the best peel that we have in the kit. This has changed my skin completely. This is great for acne prone. This is great for hyperpigmentation. Anything a little bit goes a really long way, which is why it's in such a small jar. And then you have the most intense peel we have, which is the Blueberry Jesner. This one is really great for hyperpigmentation, really great for aging skin, anything like that. You will see immediate results with this. Next, we get our makeup kit. Most of it is pretty universal. You do get your own foundation shade. The Glow Minerals lady will come and shade match you and you get that personalized. But you do get 8 essential face brushes. I use these every day. These are all what you need for a complete face. You also get a brush cleaner, which is really nice. It has a nice citrus smell. This is the only brush cleaner I use on any of my brushes. This is the Hydration Mist. It's a great spray to use before you put on makeup. If your makeup's a little too powdery, anything like that, this is a really nice hydrating spray. This is another eyebrow kit. It comes with a quad with 2 different brow colors, an eyebrow wax, and a shimmer brow bone highlight. It comes with a little brow brush, a spoolie, and some tweezers. This is a corrective camouflage kit. This is all the color correcting that you will need. You also get 2 different colors of brow pencils. You will get a redness relief powder. This stuff is incredible. It has its own little brush on one end and then a yellow powder on the other end. You get a cream blush, which is a really pretty universal shade. You get 1 lash lengthening mascara. I've actually been using this for years, long before I started Grabber. You get 5 different lip products, 3 of them being lip glosses, a nude lipstick, and then a suede matte crayon. You also get 2 different types of eyeliners. You get an eyeliner pencil and a liquid liner. You get a translucent pressed powder. You also get an 8-pan eyeshadow palette. Then you also get a medium to dark contour kit. So that's the 27-piece kit if you include the bag. Then you get a starter wax kit. This has 70 pieces in it. It comes with a cleanser, it comes with a wax remover, obviously the wax pot, It also comes with a honey wax, comes with your strips, your sticks, anything you need to start waxing right away. Next you get this case. It does have wheels on it to roll around. It also has the handle just in case you want to travel. So the first thing in this case is an esthetician jacket. It is a little bit outdated, but it is nice to wear, especially when you're in school so you don't get covered in product on your scrubs. Next you'll get a nylon makeup cape. This is nice for working on clients so you don't get their clothes dirty. You get 2 different size bowls, which is really nice for mixing product, placing product so you don't have to put anything on the back of your hand. You get a package of latex-free disposable sponges, a pack of 2 disposable facial sponges, a pack of 3 more plastic bowls, an eyelash curler, a 200 pack of 4x4 aesthetic wipes that you can cut into 2x2s, which is what I prefer to use, 4 Velcro headbands, a waxing kit with 10 small nylon strips and 10 large nylon strips, a bag of spatulas, you get a body brush kit. This is great when you're doing body treatments, if you're applying mud, a sugar scrub, anything like that. You get a pack of brushes. One is a manual exfoliating brush, one is a little brush with a sponge applicator on it, and then you get a fan brush. Then you get a small makeup applicator kit. It comes with lip applicators, eyeshadow applicators, a pack of lashes, some Q-tips. You get a pack of exfoliating gloves, which is great if you don't have any actual exfoliating product to use. You get a honey cold wax, which is your sugar wax, if you've seen those on Instagram. You don't use any strips or really any sticks. You just heat it up with your hands and keep reapplying the same ball. Then you get a pack of disposable vinyl gloves. Some cotton balls. And lastly, you get a pack of face gauze, which I know seems random, but you will use this a lot for paraffin, for high frequency, for any type of electricity treatment. And that completes your grabber kit. It has everything you need to start your aesthetics career. If you have any questions about the aesthetic kit or the aesthetic program itself, please feel free to call us or schedule a tour with the information that's on the screen.